Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm from Aurora Public Schools. I'm going to teach you how to do equations and using hands-on equations. This is a white pawn and this equals opposite of x, and this is the black pawn and this equals x. So whatever this is, this will be the opposite. And this is going to be the negative number cube, and this is going to be the positive number cubes. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to our first problem, which is already set up on the scale. This is the scale. Our first problem is negative 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So that's what we have here. These three are going to be opposite of this. So these are 3 opposite of x. And this is the 2, as you see here. And then negative 10, which is a green cube, and then x. So now, one of our legal moves is we can add the same to each side as long as it stays the same. So we're going to add a white pawn to each side. Now, since these two are opposites, they cancel each other out. So we can take them away because they equal nothing. They don't matter. And now we can add green 2's to each side. For some minute, I found my 2. We can add a green 2. There's a green 2 to each side, and once again, this is a pair of 0 because they cancel each other out because negative 2 plus positive 2 equals 0, so they mean nothing, so we can take them away. So this basically means now that negative 4x equals negative 12. So negative 12, so these equal 3 each. 3, 6, 9, 12. So negative 4x equals 12. Next problem. Go ahead and write it out. 5 plus x plus negative 3x, negative 3x equals 3x plus 2, negative 2x plus negative 1. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and set this up. Don't have to worry about that one anymore. So we'll have a number 5 on this side. We're going to start with that. Number 5 and x, and then negative 3x, which would be 3 white pawns. And then on the other side of the scale, we have 3x, which would be 3 black pawns, and then negative 2x, would be 2 whites. I'll go ahead and put this up there so they don't fall. And then negative 1, which would be a green 1. So then, we already have pairs of 0 on this side, so we can take away that pair of 0. And we'll put it back here. And then on this side, we also have pairs of 0 that we can just get rid of. And so now we have 1 pawn left on this side and 2 pawns left on this side. So now it's going to be easier just to take away with the 1 pawn. So that means we can add on a white pawn to each side. So after we add those on, this is a pair of 0, so we're going to take that off. And so this means that 5 plus negative 3x equals 1, somehow. So then we can cancel out this 5 by putting a green 5 on each side. Just a minute. So then we take away the pair of 0, and we have 6 left. And negative 6 left, because 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we have these, and so each of these would equal 2. So 2, 4, 6. So in this case, x equals negative 2. Thanks for watching.